Did you hear about the launch of the Google Pixel Pro in the past year? Well, it's not just you. Rumors about what this iPhone has been circulating on the internet. But what a beauty this phone seems to be. And with the launch, we just couldn't help but say Google actually nailed it. Yes, we're talking about the Google Pixel 7 Pro, the phone that caught our attention quite a while ago. If you want to know how Google nailed this one, then you need to see this video because we're simply loving the new launch so much. Well, to be honest, it might be simple to confuse the Pixel 6 for the Pixel 7 at first glance and vice versa. Although there are some obvious changes, the designs are similar. As an illustration, the camera bar on the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro is made of metal rather than glass this time and wraps around the side of the device rather than stopping abruptly at the corners. However, it is simpler to distinguish the Pixel 7 Pro from the Pixel 7 if you see it from a distance because of the additional circular cutout for the third camera on the Pixel 7 Pro's camera bar. But when handling either model, we noticed that the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro feel significantly lighter. In actuality, the Pixel 7 Pro is 212 grams and weighs a little bit more than the Pixel 6 Pro, which is 210 grams. We know most people have noticed this change in weight, so we know we are not the only ones who saw this. On the camera features, Google did quite an amazing job. So, contrary to the space zoom feature on Samsung's Galaxy phones, the new Super Res zoom feature on the Pixel 7 Pro can zoom in up to 30 times, and it seems to be truly usable. It's simpler to go up close to a sign, menu, or a person from across the room with specific zoom choices of up to 5 times optical zoom, not to be confused with digital zoom. Of course, more time is needed with both phones to test the improved cameras, but Google places a lot of value on its photography experience, and there is no doubt that the experience would be wonderful. The Pixel 7 and 7 Pro both include a new cinematic blur video mode. We quickly tested it out, and it appeared to be excellent. Also, with only a tap, you may swap between the foreground and background objects, adding or removing blur to or from either one in the process, or you can move the camera and let it adapt itself. With this, Google is unmistakably vying for the cinematic mode of the iPhone. You must have heard about the biometric face unlock, which returns today after 2 Pixel generations and also has an under-display fingerprint sensors in the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. However, the two features are not viewed equally. Google claims that the fingerprint sensor is a more trustworthy form of authentication, making it suitable for logging into, for example, financial apps. On the other side, there is a face unlock feature that may be used to quickly and easily unlock your phone. It has a little light ring that shoots around the front-facing camera when it is activated, which is a great touch. The $599 Pixel 7 and $899 Pixel 7 Pro is currently available for purchase, and deliveries began on October 13th. Our main takeaway from the occasion was how much Google wants you to invest in their ecosystem this year. When it comes to software and services, Google frequently has the upper hand over Apple. However, Apple has leveled the playing field in recent years, forcing Google to catch up with its own hardware and stop depending on third parties to promote and advance its many platforms. We can't wait for you to try this and share your thoughts too here in the comments section below. Thank you everyone for staying with us. We hope you enjoyed this video and would love to get hold of this amazing phone. Keep watching and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content coming your way.